This video is me getting ready for a date and then sharing some of my favorite products from 2023.
So it's Andy when he's grown up.
Seba's making me watch something.
Mommy? I want you to move for me. If you don't respond, I'm gonna start killing all of your friends here.
Why do you make me watch this stupid shit? Why is Woody like that? Look, why do husbands send you whack stuff? I get it. It's so funny. It's so funny. Just get away from me.
You make me watch one of your dumb, stupid videos.
No, I send you actual funny stuff.
Hey, ¿qué van a hacer?
Who else's boyfriend,
¿Qué van a hacer?
husband, whatever, significant other, has a whack sense of humor. Like, I have a good sense of humor. He thinks dumb stuff is funny.
Like your face.
What?
Ow. Love you.
Love you too.
Hold on, guys. Let me move the washing out of the way. Try to go for a little bit of class. Okay, let's get ready for date night. So I put overnight overhaul on. That's why my face is looking so plump and dewy. Let's go in with a little bit of under eye concealer. Gotta love Charlotte Tilbury. Look how it just erases. Okay, it erases it. Gone. That's just 12 hours sleep in 2 seconds. So my water bottle. Does this need a shout out? How pretty is it? Frank Green. Got it for myself for Christmas. I drink at least a liter of water a day thanks to this baby. Love it. Got one for my sister, got one for my husband for Christmas. Big hit. Okay, so I've got concealer under my eyes. I don't know why I chose that to be the first thing. Let's go in with eavesdrop. That's a lie. Let's go in with eyeshadow. Let's have an orgasm. NARS Orgasm eyeshadows. Socket to the socket with this shade. Let's go soft diffused eyes today with lots of lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Orgasm Peachy Pink color. Keep it simple, stupid. Just these two eyeshadows. I'm gonna let it go over the inner corner here. I love that NARS expanded the Orgasm range. It's such a pretty color and I love that they took advantage of it. They did highlighters, they've done eyeshadow palettes, they've got the blush, of course, lip colors. So stunning. Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Eye Pencil. This is the brown one. It's called Smoky Brown. On the outer corner like that, smoking it out. This is a great eye pencil, by the way, and I love it. Doesn't break the bank. Maybelline is one of my favorite brands. My eyes look so light in this lighting. I swear my eyes are actually like a dark green, but for some reason right now they look really pale. I'm really diffusing that out. No harsh lines whatsoever. Add a little bit more closer to the lash line so we get that intensity right at the lashes, blending out. Easy as pie, am I right? This is gonna look so good once we get some bronzer on this face. Oh my God, it's hot. Why did I do this to myself? I'll dehydrate myself further with a bit of wine. Ice in your wine? Only way. My dad even puts ice in red wine. I don't do that, but my dad does. All Night face primer from Urban Decay. Love this whole range. Iconic stuff, obviously. Getting rid of some of that shine. Let's get to shaking our skin tint. Fenty, one of the best brands in the world, no doubt. Using a brush, blend that in. I love that blurred out quality. This really gives your skin, especially over the Urban Decay primer. Look. A lot of tints are just hydrating and like luminous, but this one is so great for oily skin girls like me. Adding a bit more coverage on this part of my face where I get all those annoying hormonal breakouts, especially since I stopped breastfeeding. I stopped nursing my baby and it just, oh my God, it made my skin go whack for a while. I feel like it's finally calming down a little bit as I was weaning. Oh, buddy, not fair. Like, can I catch a break? Seriously. Look at that, that's so pretty. Mascara. One of my favorite releases from 2023 was the Cali Ray one. It's a tubing mascara and it's just iconic. Look at that. It's so pretty. And it just comes off so beautifully. Like, it's one of my favorite parts. It's funny to say that one of my favorite parts of a product is taking it off, but the way that it doesn't damage your lashes, and I feel like it's part of the reason my lashes have been able to recover so well after they got into a little issue. A few weeks ago, they were looking really raggedy and they're finally like looking better. Okay, without some gel on my brows, I'm giving naked mole rat, so we need to fill those in with something tinted. Love my little Chantecaille one. Perfect amount of tint, perfect amount of fluff up, perfect amount of hold. Always going forwards and then backwards, so you're coating every part of the hair. It helps to really thicken the appearance of your brows without having to put too much product on and without having to fill them in with pencil, which I like. Look at that. Pretty, just natural. I'm gonna do a bit of lips. And then I'll probably go over to my TikTok and do a bit of complexion over there. So if you're curious, okay, I'm gonna hold it right there. Okay, getting into my favorite makeup products of 2023. I'm gonna start out with Supergoop Glow Screen, a 1-step SPF look for me. Went through about 3 bottles of that last year, sorry. And then another favorite, I think it's been my favorite for like 4 years running now, I Will Die. I will keel over and die if this ever ceases to exist. The NARS Soft Matte Concealer is so full coverage, the perfect soft matte finish. It covers my blemishes flawlessly, it covers darkness flawlessly. There's so many colors, so many undertones, and it lasts for ages, as in a pot, lasts forever. Gosh. Powder, the Givenchy powder went viral on TikTok last year, which caused me to like get it back out of my stishy stash. And it is very good. I definitely fell back in love with powder after many years of being an anti-powder gal, and it's just the reason for that. So it really is so finely milled and lets your skin look like skin but blurs and gives you that filtered finish. This one was a special edition one, the Powder Premiere in Universal Nude, but I also have the light color of the one that has like 4 tones in it. Absolutely love this product. It's fantastic for under eyes. It's like the only powder you will ever need. If you're like a minimalist makeup girl, it's a great investment. Look at that. Similarly, I've never been a huge lip liner person. I mean, I love lip liners obviously, but never would I think that one would be in my favorites, like the lip injection one from Too Faced. This is in Puffy Nude, and usually when I get given seconds and thirds of a product, I will immediately donate it, but I actually stockpiled all of the spare ones that I ever got of this because this is like a daily need for me. I've read some reviews where people are like, this doesn't even plump your lips, I can't feel anything. You need to go see a neurologist. Like, do you eat ghost peppers for breakfast? Like, this is potent, okay? I absolutely love it. It is a fave for me to apply right before I apply Lip Alchemy for the biggest lips possible without going to get my lips filled. These two together they are my favorite. It really, really works. It's the perfect tone for me. They have other colors, but yeah, I love their lip injection line. Mascara, I just continuously reached for the Cali Ray one. It's a tubing mascara. It just gives me a really nice long lashed effect. This is one layer for a more natural look, but I absolutely love the way it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake off. When I go to remove it at the end of the day, it comes off really nice and easily, so it helps with the health of my lashes. So good. It's called the Come Hell or High Water, and it's pretty water repellent too. Like, until you go to actually remove it, which is, it's easy to remove it, but if I like get watery eyes or if it's raining, I've never had any problems with it. Really like this one. I don't have it on me because it's an aerosol, but the One Sized setting spray was definitely a huge go-to and a huge favorite from 2023. I went salsa dancing a lot last year with Shayla, and you get very sweaty. It gave me a very good opportunity to test out the One Size Miss, what's it called again? Until Dawn. I would be sweating. I was getting flung around the dance floor. It was hot, okay? Very hot. And sometimes you dance with like dozens of randoms. Everyone's sweating. You're this far away from everyone because it's like a crowded little room of salsa dancers. And that stuff made my makeup stay flawless for hours. So good. So good. I remember at like Christmas in 2022, I had bought myself a 2-pack. And I'm glad I did that because then last year, Beyonce wore it in her concert while it was raining and it went viral, sold out. No one could get their hands on it. I had prepared and bought 2, so I was good. Yeah, I feel like there's probably a lot more, but as you guys know, I'm like traveling right now. I don't have a home base right now, so I'm living out of a suitcase with just minimal makeup that I traveled with, but those are the ones that I can think of right now. that I absolutely love and just couldn't live without. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been so long since I did like a favorites like this, but top favorites of 2023, they're my picks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. I'll talk to you down there. Bye.